What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of fixing the engine. Right now, basically, what Kaylee is doing, she's hosing off the driveway because we finally got a hose connector. So, yeah. But yeah, it's pretty dirty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, it's pretty dirty. So we're basically just going to be fixing the engine in there, and then afterwards, that's basically what we're going to be doing for today. Sorry, we might not be posting a while because our desktop is messing up. Like, we cannot figure out what's wrong. The audio will not work. We're gonna let it sit for a few days and see if it fixes itself. Because we did a little bit of research and
yeah, so
found out that
if you see this video, it's finally up and running. Either that or we got a new laptop or something. So.
Yep, Kaylee's birthday is coming up here soon. So, she's gonna get a laptop for her birthday. And, it'll be good. Yeah. But, yeah, basically just holding on the driveway right now. Wash the feet, wash the feet.
Wash your laptop?
No, I said watch the feet. So, yeah, but then we should be good to go on the engine. We figured out what was wrong with it in the last part. We didn't get to upload that yet because of course I had to start out when we had videos lined up and ready to go. So, yeah, mostly when you guys see us, we usually film 2 YouTube videos in one day. So, that's why we have so many videos lined up. Like I said in the last riding video, you guys seen the Karen. You guys will see it. But, yeah, it was just crazy. Next time I'm actually going to go up there on purpose because I realized I looked at the property lines and that's not her property. So, yeah, she has no business to tell me what to do. And, see if we can't start some drama. But, we will pick you guys back up when we are ready to start fixing the engine. See you then. Alright, guys, so, we got it all tore apart on our last video. Couldn't quite figure out why this was. I'm not really sure what this spring's for, but we're just going to throw it together and see if we can fire it up. And if we can, good to go. But if not, I guess we'll just take it back apart and that should be our problem. But what was happening before was this was solid, which opens this up right here. That's not shutting. Alright, I know what I have to do. So, I guess we'll just throw it back together. We'll update you when we get it all back together. So, there you go. Alright, so, we just thought that we were just gonna not put you guys in a time lapse. We just bring you guys with us because this is gonna be a very short video if not. So, unless this thing doesn't fire up, it's going to be a short video. But I have faith in it. I think it's going to fire right back up. So, let's get to putting it back together. So, we'll show you guys a few things on the way. So, what we want to do first is you guys always want to, if you guys want to avoid dumping the gas, lift this up like this, take the muffler off, and you should have plenty enough room to see how this works down here. I think we fixed the problem. We're just going to go ahead and put this right back on. Cooperate with me. There we go. Alright. Now usually what you want to do is you want to keep all your bolts in one spot. Because if not, you might lose them. Like I think I did. So. Alright, so we found everything. Kind of confused there for a few minutes. Yeah, basically just gonna put the gas. So when you take something apart like this, you always want to pay attention to how you took it apart, because basically when you put it back together, it goes in the reverse way you took it apart. So we're just going to put it right back together the way we took it apart, step by step. So whatever you took off last is the first thing you will put on when you go to put it back together. See if I can get this one. Here we go. Alright, so we're just gonna put this plate back down. Nice and tight. Don't over tighten it. That's what that's for. See? You guys feel like I pick you up and bring you guys over here. So what this does is, this is your throttle right here. So what it would be like on a mini bike is this would be controlled by a rod, right? And this would move every time you pull the throttle. Well, this is not, I think this is when it's going either fast or slow. And what that does is it tightens this up, and then when you go, this opens up the thing which makes it idle. So what you do on that part is basically just, like I said, put it all right back together. Like you had it. Figure out which bolt goes where. Because I've gotten to the point where I get too big for my britches and think that I can put it anywhere. That's really not the case. This is probably the first video you guys are seeing, so I'm not using this part. I thought I lost this part. But no, I didn't check before I started taking this apart. So what this piece is, if some of you guys don't know, it's an extender. So what you do is you just clip it on here, and then clip it on here. That way you can get into small spaces like this pretty easy. So, boom, now our gas tank is installed. So, the next thing I took off was the muffler. So we're just going to put it right back on the way it came off. Turn this around, this came off, just like this. We'll put it right back together the way it came off. Anyone can do this. Look at some videos and look online. It's not rocket science. It's just engine science. Literally. So then when you've done that, you take this off and you put this on and tighten it. And I guess this could be considered tutorial on how to fix an engine, but that's not what we're going to be calling it. So.
Also, another thing to say is in our future videos, we're gonna have better sound because we just got microphones like we told you in the past. So
being delivered today.
yeah, so hopefully the sound will be a lot better and you guys could hear us and it's not like muffled, if you know what I'm talking about.
Alright guys, I'm just trying to figure out which one's which. Alright, a million years later, we finally found the right one. So we're just really just taking this off to be able to put the muffler back on. So. See, there's some engines that I worked on in the past were quite weird, I should say, because you need to take certain parts off to get certain parts on to then put other parts on. It's weird. So we're basically just going to grab the bolts. And I'm not putting all 3 in because the one is very hard to get back in, so I'm just going to keep that off now. Just in case we have to take it apart again. And that was too okay. That's it. That's it. And then basically, I know some people will get intimidated that they can't do this kind of stuff because it looks complicated. I agree in some ways, but once you really just get out there and you just start see about fixing things, it's not that hard. Like I said, anyone can do it. Yeah. Kelly. Right. We all make mistakes. Don't we, Kelly? You want to talk to them?
About what?
About what you're doing?
I'm dumb as rocks. What are you talking about?
Go on the other one now.
This one?
Yep.
I already did that one. Alright, so right now we're just tightening these. We have to put the air filter on.
Alright, next one.
Right?
Yeah.
It's not.
Yeah, this engine's kind of weird. The hardware's like between two different, what's it called?
Alright, now we're gonna turn it around. Roll!
Stop rolling. A few of you that
Alright, there we go.
Alright, so next is the
Air filter.
air filter.
Well, we got a little incident. The hose was spraying onto the air filter and now it's wet, so I guess we have to let it dry.
We're gonna throw it in 2 hours. If we talk to the motor, you know.
Okay.
So if we got this running, I'll be really happy. And, working on this for a while now.
Yeah. A very long time.
Also sprayed inside the air filter box.
Didn't we like stop working on it for a while?
Yeah, we stopped working on it for about a month. Yeah, she's doing fine, I guess. Oh, what gas? There's no gas in it.
Oh, yay. We don't got any.
That sucks. We might be able to start it. I don't know where all that fuel went. So I could have swore I had it. Go back on, bro. We're at least gonna see if it pops. Hopefully. Now, I wasn't really supposed to get this new air filter, but I'm glad I did. And that's how that goes all that.
Yeah, wasn't the other one like disgusting?
Yeah, the other one was falling apart. Alright, so we will start off down here, which is that is good. Choke, where's choke? Hold on. I don't know if we have gas or not. Not.
Alright guys, well we thought we had some fuel in it, but we kinda don't. So
We don't even have fuel in the gas.
you know the gas can we had in the garage? Well, we don't even have any in there. I don't know if you can see them. Probably can't. But yeah, so probably gonna have to finish this video Monday or Tuesday till we get gas. Which sucks because we wanted to start it today to see if it worked, and if it didn't, we wanted to keep working on it for another part.
Oh wait, I think it's gonna start.
Do you want me to try it?
Not really sure which way's on. I think it's gonna start because it's acting like it's going to start.
It's just that we don't have freaking gas in it.
Yeah, the tank
We
is
should have really
dry as a bone.
should have really
Checked that out before we left. So I guess we'll get back to you guys when we have fuel for this thing. Then yes, see you then.
Hey guys, okay, so it's actually the next day. We finally got some gas. Ryan's filling it up now. Hopefully this is the problem, why it wouldn't start. But if it doesn't start, then we're gonna give you guys another part to the video, or taking this engine apart, fixing it, whatever you want to call it.
I hate these.
So we're gonna put some gas in it. We're gonna fix the oil, and then we'll try to start it. We'll get back to you then. So just sit tight, and yeah, bye. Okay guys, so we just put the gas in. We're gonna start it up. Hopefully it works, because if it doesn't, that'd be very disappointing.
Yeah.
Sorry if it's loud. Yeah, if you guys wear headphones, turn them down. It's not working.
She runs!
Yeah. Dude, we've been waiting for this to run for so long. Like, I can't even tell you how long it's been. Before I showed you this clip, Ryan forgot to put the spark plug in, and it wouldn't start, and he was getting mad, and I was like, okay, well that sucks. No, it was just the spark plug was not plugged in.
See if I can fire it up one more time.
There we go.
It's not running correctly, but it's running.
Yeah, well, at least it's running.
Alright guys, so we got it to start up. It's not running really good. It's kind of bogging down. Not sure what that's about. But we just gotta see if everything is on correctly. Because we'll show you here. I'll fire it up and show them what it's doing.
Yeah.
Bro, what the hell is wrong with this thing? I've never dealt with one of these pumps. When we dealt with engines, they do not sound like that. So I don't know if it's the pump that's bogging it down or what. But it's supposed to run smooth, and it's not doing that. So I don't know what's wrong. But before we fuck up the engine, even more than it already is, you'll get inside there and drain the oil and put some more in it. So, yeah. You have anything to say, Caleb? Huh? Anything to say?
This engine is a piece of shit.
Yeah. So, there's the oil that came out of it.
That's not supposed to look like that at all.
Yeah. That's supposed to be clear.
Definitely
So,
not clear.
Whoever, had this engine before, not gonna say his name, because, don't want to be disrespectful. Yeah, he, should have changed the oil, did all that kind of maintenance stuff, and it would not be like that. So, alright guys, so, I'm bringing you guys with me out here, so we just got the oil drained, as you guys seen.
Did you turn the hose on?
Oh no, I didn't.
Here, I can do it.
Alright, Gil's going to turn on the hose, so we'll see how that works. So you guys Kelly mentioned in our last video that we would be getting microphones. Well, we were supposed to, but then Amazon decided to take our money but not let the payment go through. So now we don't have microphones. We gotta wait a few days, see what happens, and if that doesn't work, we have to retry and order new ones. So it might be a while till you guys hear better audio, but I hope you guys will just bear with us and see how it is. Hey yo, pause! What you doing there, Gary? Hey yo, pause! Pause! Gary, we both have the same mom, you weirdo.
No, their mom.
Oh, Gary, that's mean.
Nah, bro. Okay, so this is it. Put together.
Yeah, we're trying to still get used to I guess you could call this an everyday vlog, I guess. But yeah, it's kind of weird. So we're still trying to get used to it. So. Alright, so this back here we found out is used oil. It's pitch black like that stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna empty that stuff in here. I know you're really not supposed to mix oil, but I don't really care. I've done it before. Doesn't really change anything, but I'll catch you guys back up when we have this thing up and running. See you then. What are you doing? Hi. Well, sorry about that.
Alright guys, we're about to turn it on. Hopefully it works this time. Correctly.
I'm going to pull a few times to get that oil circulating in the engine. Make sure you have your engine off. You don't want to accidentally start it, because some engines do have a lot of compression. I do not know what that sound is. It does not sound healthy. Well, we're just gonna go.
We don't hear anything.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Sorry.
That sucks.
Alright, here it goes. Don't know why it's not starting. Proof it was just running. So, here we go. Turn the choke off, like you do on the mini bike.
Oh shit, yeah, okay, sorry.
No, it's good. Right there.
Okay, wait.
Go
Like
just
right here?
a little bit back, like right there.
God damn it. So weird.
I'm just gonna let it run through.
Yeah.
Like we did with the mower. Alright guys, so we got it to kind of run. It's hunting right now. It's going boom boom. You guys can probably hear it, but I don't know what's wrong with it. But we're just gonna let it run through the cycle. I might have to take the gas tank off again. See what's going on under there. But yeah, it's kind of smoking. Someone did put 2 soak in this before, so I wouldn't be surprised. It was just the 2 soak running off. Something's not running. Sorry if that's muffled, guys. But yeah, this is a step up from before. Before did not run at all. So I don't know.
So you guys might get another part. This is part 2. You'll probably see part 3. We can't get it completely running. Hopefully we get it running, but if not, like I said, you'll see a part 3. So.
Yeah, we're just gonna, can't get it running the right way. Just gonna sell it how it is. Probably not near as much as I wanted it to be. Probably like $75 or 50 or something. But yeah. So yeah, I guess this. Alright guys, so we could not find out what's wrong with the engine in today's video, but we're just gonna see. Can't get it running right. You guys will probably see a part 3 on this. Hopefully. If you can't get it running exactly the way we want it to, probably we'll just sell it the way it is. Write down in the description what's wrong with it. It does run, just doesn't idle. And so yeah.
You piece of crap.
Yeah, literally. I've never had any experience with a pump. This is my first time. But I wouldn't say they're a little bit more difficult to work on, because they're not. It's just when you let it sit for 2.5 years, it's just no.
I mean, at least you got it running. Like, it wasn't running at all before,
Yeah,
so.
it just it wouldn't even kick over and run for a few seconds. If we put the throttle on, if we pull the string, take off the choke, put the throttle on, then it will run. But if you let it idle, it won't idle at all. So I'm probably gonna have to do some more research. But this is the end of today's video, and see you in the next one.